With you guys. Today I'm gonna be showing you my train that I've just finished building. As you might have seen it in a few other YouTube videos, but now they taught me how to build it, and I've just successfully did. I had a few problems with it, as you should have seen, but it's actually starting to work. And now it's starting to lag. So it has been very useful today. It's so cool. I'm gonna be showing you how to, well, not build it, because that's gonna take like forever again, but I'm gonna be showing you how it works. 1 second. I'll be back when it stops lagging. Okay, so it stopped lagging, but then it lagged again and got me a hole through the forest under this mountain. I don't know where I am right now. All I know is to get back, I just have to follow this trail. But anyway, let's get back to the train. Let's get there. Look, that's like humongous chaos. That train just like destroys anything in front of it. Seriously. Okay. Good train. I added this. Without this, it wasn't gonna work. But now finally it's on. So, did you just see that? I'm going forward. Yeah. Okay. Maybe in one of my videos I might be able to show you how to, well, you know, create this giant train. Okay, anyway, so you know how it works now. I've posted a map of this on some apps, for example MCP Master. Just write command and you're gonna find it. Train command. It's kind of like that. Let's see where we can get to, and if we might like crash into some water. Okay, bye.